Hey everybody, well, we are stuck in the house and always waiting for a quote-unquote rainy day to be able to do things such as make gnocchi in the kitchen. So it's Sunday, which is typically, in our family has been for many years, a night to make spaghetti or a day to make spaghetti sauce. Family gets together, and so since we can't get together, I'm kind of here with my amazing roommates and friends, and actually there's only 4 of us, just for the record. So anyway, I was just on the phone with one of my awesome grieving mom friends, Lisa Didden. Hi Lisa, so you hope that you guys are on here with Jen. I think Jen was actually more informative. So anyway, what we're doing here is making gnocchi. It's potato. If you're not familiar with it, it's basically potato, flour, egg, and a little olive oil. So we did it in those stages. So I was corrected from Lisa because I was doing it incorrectly. Because first of all, I made too much and I wasn't rolling it properly. So anyway, what I'm just trying to say is when you're in this situation, you might as well make the best of it. Find the joy in it. So that's what we're gonna do here. Since we're stuck in the house, it's like, again, doing all those things that you talk about doing for so long, waiting for a cold day, waiting for train. Got some Andre Bocelli or a Vivo in the background. So what I did was I made the dough, we sliced it accordingly, kind of rolled it out into these long snake-like pieces. Am I doing this right, Lisa? And cutting it on a diagonal like so. She said they were too big. But anyways, what we're gonna do is you put them in here and you're gonna wait until they come to the surface. And that accordingly is when they're done, which is what we got going here. It's like, I said I was going to start like today, actually tomorrow, because it's Monday, right? And watching when I eat, because I want to lose weight, because summertime is coming, but that's not going so well. But anyways, go from that. All they do is come to the surface. We'll put a couple more in here. Anyways, what are you guys doing on a Sunday evening? On the East Coast, I know it's about 10 o'clock or so, almost 10:30. And I'm sure you're probably done with dinner and you're having a dinner coma, especially if you're Italian and you've made a heavy gnocchi meal like this. But anyways, we were enjoying the sun today and doing a little reading, a little writing. So now we're gonna come over to the best part, which is, I know it's like you're salivating even if you had dinner. A little squishy, but these meatballs though, on the other hand, molto bene. Anyway, I am not a professional cook by any means. All I'm doing is just trying to make the best of the time, which is what I'm encouraging you guys to do. Don't focus on the things that are coming across on the media. You know, just do the things that you've been putting off for a long time. Play games, but board games, and get outside, as that I was doing yesterday in a couple of days, and but just have family time. Use FaceTime, talk to one another, as we're doing kind of right now, just reaching out and saying you guys are not alone in the middle of all this. We're just rolling through it, right? We're just gonna make the best of it, and I don't know what's gonna happen tomorrow, but in the meantime, I'm just gonna find the joy in the moment, because God's still on the throne, and I know that He's in control, and I know that where we're going in the end, and in the meantime, I'm sure He would be pleased that I'm making gnocchi. So anyway, I will see you guys Tuesday night for Facebook Live. Hope after the landslide. I've got a special guest coming on, one of the moms that I have recently met, and I don't know what we're going to talk about yet, but try not to focus on this virus. That's the whole point. Don't focus on the virus. Focus on the hope that we have in eternity. And my roommate's sitting over there on the couch and just really praying that I don't turn that camera around and come on, Sarah. She's trying to be very busy, productive on her phone right now. Anyway, she's home from work for the week, who knows how long, and Kathy's been so incredibly patient, I'll just say, as always, with both of us, especially because we're not very clean in the kitchen.
Yeah, it's a little messy here.
But at the end of the day, we're just having fun. We're making the best of it, so I hope that you guys are too. I love you all, and I'm sure again that my son Randy's probably rolling his eyes, because I used to do this when he was around too. But you know what? He laughed at me. But at the end of the day, he was all about getting to experience the fruit. In this case, the potato.